Kick it, Zoe.
Let's see it.
Kick it, Zoe.
Hey, Joey girl. Yeah, that's it. Kick it.
Good kick.
All four of them.
Yeah, good one, Zoe.
Yeah, girl. Yeah. Oh, good.
Good
She
one,
splashed
Zoe.
mommy. She splashed mommy. Whoa. Whoa. He's a good kick.
Kick it, Zoe.
Show me some more.
Kick it.
Yeah, that's a girl.
Good one. Get some arm action. Yeah.
Oh, get it. You get it. You get it. Yeah, that's a girl.
Good one, Zoe.
That's a girl.
Good one, Zoe.
Oh, she's moving. She's moving it. That's a good girl. All right, there's Zoe. It's December 27th, 2010. She's a little more than 3 months old. Okay. Oh, bye-bye, Zoe.